Hello, good morning everyone. Previous class रे ଆମେ प्ले पढ़िଥିଲେ up to allotropic form of nitrogen family. Then today class रे ଆମେ start करिवा that is atomic radii and ionic radii. So we know that in a group, in a periodic table and moving down a group, atomic size increases. So by considering this, we can say that is on moving down the group in nitrogen family, the covalent radii and ionic radii of a particular oxidation state increases with increase in atomic number. With increase in atomic number and moving down a group having particular oxidation state means all have same oxidation state. Then on moving from top to bottom of a group, the covalent radii and ionic radii becomes increases due to increase in atomic number. With increase in atomic number, we know that the additional cell, the number of cell added to the atom. So the number of cell increases, so its atomic size increases. So by considering this, we can say that there is a considerable increase in covalent radius from nitrogen to phosphorus. However, from arsenic to bismuth, a small increase is observed. That means we can say that nitrogen, on moving from nitrogen to bismuth, atomic size increases. So by considering this, we can say that atomic radii and ionic radii also increases. But this increase is not in a regular form. That means from nitrogen to phosphorus there is a large increase, and from arsenic to bismuth there is small increase. So why there is irregular increase in the group occurs? From nitrogen to phosphorus, why the increase is large, whereas in case of arsenic to bismuth the increase is less. Now let us see. On moving from nitrogen to phosphorus, atomic radii increases considerable due to addition of new cell as well as strong shielding effect of S and P electrons present in the inner cell. On moving from nitrogen to phosphorus, atomic radii increases due to addition of new cell addition होची तो हमरो atomic radii increase करिवो as well as shielding effect मध्य बढ़ुची, strong shielding effect रहउची कहार कर ना S and P ऑर्बिटल इलेक्ट्रॉन मानकर तो S और P इलेक्ट्रॉन माने shielding effect अधिका रहंती because shielding effect of orbitals, that is in the order S is more shielding effect than P orbital, P has more shielding effect than D orbital, and D has more shielding effect than F orbital. So this is the shielding effect order of orbitals. So S and P orbital has more shielding effect. So due to more shielding effect and insertion of new cell, the atomic size of nitrogen to phosphorus increases as well as atomic radii increases. But in case of moving from arsenic to bismuth, there is small increase which occur. Why? Now due to poor shielding effect of valence electrons of D and F electron. D and F electron, we can see that the D and F orbital has less shielding effect than S and P orbital. So D and F electrons have lesser shielding effect or poor shielding effect than S and P. So in case of arsenic, moving from arsenic to bismuth, D and F electrons causes poor shielding effect. So for which attraction increases. So there is less increase in atomic radii occurs. Okay. Then the atomic radii and ionic radii of group 15 elements of a particular oxidation state are smaller than the elements of group 14. Group 14, in between group 14 and group 15, we can compare the atomic radii, then it is move in a period. So we know on moving in a period, the atomic radii decreases due to increase of effective nuclear charge. Due to increase of effective nuclear charge from 14 group to 15 group, their atomic radii decreases. Okay. In general, we can say that is from nitrogen to bismuth, atomic radii increases, but this increase is not regular. That is, nitrogen to phosphorus increase rate is high, whereas in case of arsenic to bismuth, increase rate is slow. Why? Now, in case of nitrogen to phosphorus, that is S and P orbital electrons causes shielding effect, whereas in case of arsenic to bismuth, D and F orbital electrons causes shielding effect. So this has poor shielding effect, this has stronger shielding effect. So in this case, atomic radii increases more than that of arsenic to bismuth. Okay. Next comes to electronegativity. What do you mean by electronegativity? Electronegativity means the tendency of an atom to attract a shared pair of electron towards itself. One shared pair of electron को निज आड़ को attract करिकी रखिबार tendency is known as electronegativity. On moving down a group, in general, we know on moving down a group, electronegativity decreases. Why electronegativity decreases in a group? And in a period, electronegativity increases. Because in a group, atomic size increases. Due to increase of atomic size, the force of attraction between electron and nucleus becomes less. So, electronegativity decreases. But in a period, due to decrease of atomic size, the force of attraction between nucleus and electron becomes more. So, electronegativity increases in a period. So, we will discuss in case that is group 15 elements. Group 15 means in a group, the electronegativity of group 15 elements decreases down the group due to increase of atomic radii, that is from nitrogen to bismuth. But group 15 elements are more electronegative than group 14 elements due to smaller size. Already I said that is in a period, on moving in a period, group effective nuclear charge increases, atomic size decreases, so electronegativity increases. So on moving from group 14 to group 15, effective nuclear charge increases, so its atomic size decreases. Due to decrease of atomic size, electronegativity also increases in case of group 15 elements. Next comes to, that is next property, ionization enthalpy. So what do you mean by ionization energy? First we know that what is ionization energy. Ionization energy is the amount of energy required to remove valence electron from isolated gaseous atom. From one isolated gaseous atom ru गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव करिबा पई जेतिकी एनर्जी हमें रिक्वायर करिबा, that amount of energy is known as ionization enthalpy. On moving down the group, the ionization enthalpy decreases from nitrogen to bismuth. On moving down a group, that is from nitrogen to bismuth, ionization enthalpy decreases. Why ionization enthalpy decreases on moving down a group? Because on moving down a group, atomic size increases. Atomic size increases means there is lesser force of attraction between the nucleus and valence electron. Due to lesser force of attraction between nucleus and valence electron, we can remove electron easily in case of larger size atom than that of smaller size atom. So, due to increase of atomic size from nitrogen to bismuth, ionization enthalpy decreases in a group. That is, from moving nitrogen to bismuth, ionization enthalpy decreases. Next comes to another point, that is ionization enthalpy of group 15 elements are much higher than that of group 14 elements due to increase of nuclear charge, reduced atomic radii and stable half-filled configuration. Between group 14 and group 15, between group 14 and group 15, group 14 and group 15, group 15 elements are higher ionization enthalpy than group 14 elements, because in group 14 and group 15 lie in a period. So, on moving in a period, due to decrease of atomic size and increase of nuclear charge, the removal of electron becomes difficult. So, on moving from group 15 to group 14, group 14 to group 15, ionization enthalpy increases. The successive increase in ionization enthalpy of elements, that is in the order delta H1 is less than that of delta H2 is less than that of delta H3. That means if one electron lost, then the first ionization, it is called first ionization energy. Then if 2 electron is lost, then it is called second ionization energy. If 3 electron is lost, then it is called third ionization energy. That is, on moving from first ionization to second ionization, third ionization, ionization energy increases due to increase of effective nuclear charge, because with loss of electron, effective nuclear charge increases. Due to increase of effective nuclear charge, ionization enthalpy also increases. So, successive increase of ionization enthalpy becomes in the order, that is delta H1 is less than that of delta H2 is less than that of delta S3. Next, if I compare between group 15 and group 16 element, if I compare between group 15 and group 16 element, which one have more ionization enthalpy? So, according to our general trend, we can say group 16 has more ionization enthalpy than that of group 15, because they are lie in a period. But actually, group 15 elements have more ionization enthalpy than that of group 16 element. Why? Group 15 elements are more ionization enthalpy than group 16, although they lie behind or previous to group 16 in a period, because due to its stable half-filled configuration, because in group 15 the valency shell configuration is NH2NP3, but in case of group 16 the valency shell configuration is NH2NP4. So, it is a stable half-filled configuration, that is p orbital has in p3 configuration. So, it is a stable half-filled configuration. So, removal of electron in this case becomes difficult, whereas it is neither a half-filled configuration nor a full-filled configuration, that is partially filled configuration. So, in comparison to 15 and 16 becomes require lesser energy than that of group 15 elements, okay, due to its stable half-filled configuration. Let us see, that is one question. The question is, why nitrogen has more ionization energy than oxygen? Already just I discussed this, that is group 15 and group 16. Group 15 element contains nitrogen and group 16 element contains oxygen. So why nitrogen has more ionization energy than that of oxygen? On moving from left to right, along a period ionization energy increases. So, ionization energy of oxygen should be greater than that of nitrogen. So, ionization energy of oxygen will be greater than that of nitrogen. But in actually, nitrogen, due to its stable half-field configuration and high exchange energy, it has less tendency to lose electron. Due to stable half-field configuration and high exchange energy, it has less tendency to lose electrons. So, ionization enthalpy of nitrogen is greater than that of oxygen because oxygen has configuration that is 2s2 2p4. 2p4 means it is a partially filled orbital. The partially filled orbital means in this case electron is easier than that of nitrogen. So, ionization energy of nitrogen is greater than that of oxygen. Okay.